and relate to them on so many levels. And then 3, any organization that's focusing on bettering just like the world and
yeah, I had 3 of them.
Am I going to get a lot of tickets?
Yeah.
Yes.
Stinks in it.
It's gonna always.
Online or Solutions apply. See store for details.
Finding great candidates.
The Bridge, 88.7. I don't know about you, but I look around at what's going on. Some of the things I see on social media and the stuff people are doing today, and I'm shocked, and I'm confused, I'm disgusted, bewildered, appalled by all that I see, and then I remember something. I remember my own sin.
The Bridge Radio thanks Jake.